Paper 1 Kcse Maths question 24. The figure ABCDF represents a plot of land. AB is 50 centimeter, BC is y centimeter, CD is x, and DE is 40. The figure also shows an adjacent plot BC DG. All the angles in the figure are right angle triangle. The owner of the plot ABCDEF later purchased the plot. Given that the perimeter of the plot BCDG, the perimeter is 60. Write an expression for y in terms of x. So you know that the perimeter of a rectangle, it is 2 into length plus width, gives you the perimeter. So we have 2 for length, we have y plus x is equals to the perimeter, which is 60. So they've said write an expression of y in terms of x, so we make y the subject. So we shall have 2y plus 2x equals to 60. So 2y is equals to 60 minus 2x, then divide by 2 throughout, we'll get y is equals to 30 minus x. So we have an expression of y in terms of x. The second part, write down a simplified expression in x for the area of the entire plot AGEF. So the entire plot, the length is 50 plus 50, and this distance is x, so we have 50 plus x. Then the width is 40 plus y, 40, then this distance is the same as this distance, so we have 40 plus y. So we want to have the entire plot in terms of x, and here we have y. So we are going to replace y, but we know y is 30 minus x, so it means your width will be 40 plus 30 minus x. Now it becomes 70 minus x. So our area, which is length times width, now becomes 50 plus x multiplied by 70 minus x. So we shall have 3500 minus 50x, then we have plus 70x, then we have minus x squared. This simplifies to 3500 minus 50 plus 70 plus 20x minus x squared. So we have our area in terms of x. Then the next part, they've said determine the dimension of plot BGDC that will maximize the size of the entire plot of land AGEF. So they want the dimension that will maximize that size. So now we are going to differentiate. Find the A, the x, we equate it to 0. So when we differentiate these the equation for area, this one will be 0. We have now 20 minus 2x, which will be equivalent to 0 after doing the differentiation. For differentiation, you take the power multiplied by the coefficient, then the power reduces by 1. So we shall have 20 minus 2x. So we shall have this one will be 20 is equals to 2x. So your x will be equal to 10. So if x is equals to 10, and we know that y is 30 minus x, so it means y will be 30 minus 10, which will be 20. So the length is 50 plus x. So we have 50 plus x, which is 10, get 60 meters. And the width is 40 plus y. So you have 40 plus your y, which is 20. So you have 60 meters. So for maximum size, we have 60 by 60. For the entire plot, 60 by 60. But for BGDC, that one is 10 and 20. So the maximum possible area of the entire plot after getting x and after getting y, then we substitute the length as we have already calculated. We have 50 plus 10, we have 60, and the width we have 40 plus 20, which is 60. So the maximum possible area, we have 60 multiplied by 60, get 2600 meter square.